Hello YouTubers, Mitch here from Livewire Tech Team again. A very short and sweet how-to video today, and it really is just regarding our UK adapter. It's for all of our UK customers. In our Huawei products, we may throw in a USB UK adapter, 3-pin adapter. Huawei very cleverly compacted the adapter to fit in all of its packaging. But when you open the box and you go to set up your products, you might be thrown by the 3 pins not quite fitting in your plug socket at home. So it's really just to show you folks that it is perfectly normal. What we want to do is when we take it out the box and you want to go to charge your device, that top pin literally just pushes up and you'll find that will fit in your plug socket at home. Don't go trying to put it into your plug socket like that. I promise you now it's not going to work. But once you've pushed that PVC top pin up, that'll fit into your home plugs without any issues. Thank you very much. Cheerio.